Judge, this is case number JVB 1052.
You all may be seated. Miss James?
Yes, ma'am.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
This girl here don't want to take care of her kids. I've been had her kids forever.
When you say forever, what's forever?
I've been basically the 4-year-old been with me since he was a baby. And now the 2-year-old, I got her little tail when she was 5 months. She's 2 now. She don't want to take care of them. She don't want to stop by when they want to see her. I did her a favor, let her go do some work and do these old hussies' hair. She want to follow and live the good life while I have her kids. So I need her to pay up. I need some help.
I definitely agree you need some help. Well, what's the issue? Your kids have pretty much been with your aunt their entire lives.
Semi-aunt. I don't even know if she really my brother's child.
There she goes again.
Oh,
I
okay.
provide for my kids. I travel for my work, and I have to do hair, make appointments. You know, I'm
Wait a
busy.
minute. Start over with what you were saying. I was too busy trying to drink this tea with what she just said about.
Okay, pause for a moment. Let's break this situation down clearly. These children have been living with their aunt for most of their lives, and that detail carries significant legal weight. In child support cases, the person who has primary possession and daily care of the children is usually the one entitled to receive child support payments. Biology alone does not determine responsibility. What matters most is who is actually providing care and support. Here is the real issue. If a parent is busy earning money, traveling, and building a career, but is not consistently providing financial support for their children, the court will not focus on appearances or excuses. The court focuses on the numbers and the responsibility involved. Let me ask an honest question. If someone only shows up occasionally with happy meals whenever they visit, does that truly count as parenting? Or is it simply visiting?
Brother.
Yeah, she likes to play that part, but we know.
Girl,
I'm listening now.
But I'm a hairstylist. I do hair.
Your hair
you
is
know.
pretty.
Thank you. I do wigs, lace fronts, all of that. So when people call
So you
me,
have the money to pay for these kids. You're just choosing not to. That's essentially what you just said, right?
No, so I pay for these kids. Like I bring them food.
she
I bring
brings them
clothes.
McDonald's, a Happy Meal. Maybe
Every kid love a Happy Meal.
no clothes, no shoes,
You know,
bring clothes and
a
shoes.
Happy
Granimal
Meal,
sandals.
If they're with her all of the time, a Happy Meal, ma'am, is insufficient.
Well, when I come, I bring them whatever they
When
like.
you
when
come,
They like
how often
McDonald's.
do you go over there?
Tell the
A
truth.
couple times a month.
How many?
Depending on my schedules.
Kids are priority. These little strippers' hair can wait. See, that's your problem.
So you doing strippers' hair?
Well, they pay more. You know, they make that big money, so I got to get my coins.
I mean, they do get paid.
And she
You
probably
know,
doing something strange for a piece of change too.
Oh, okay.
No, that's not my business. But I definitely will lay some edges, lay some hair. Yes.
Okay.
Honey,
yeah, your
don't-
edges are laid. They really are.
Girl,
They
that's
are.
a Jerry curl. Don't let the makeup, the little MAC makeup fool you. Because behind all that,
Y'all get along, do you?
No, we don't. Since she was a little girl, she's
But
been.
wait a minute. You all don't get along, but you trust her enough to have your kid. I'm not about to play with you. I'm not about to play with you.
That's because nobody else fooled with her. I'm the only
Where's
one.
the daddy?
Oh, I don't know. He in them streets.
Oh, it sounds like you are too.
No, I'm in the streets to make them coins, to get that money,
Oh.
lay that hair.
Oh, okay. Well, let me go ahead and lay some numbers for you. How much money you make a year?
About 60,000.
60,000? Okay. Who did this tax return you gave me? Somebody from the streets?
Somebody I met through a friend, yes.
Oh, okay.
Shaniqua.
Oh, okay. Well, they have your income at 65,000. So is that true?
It's around there.
We're going to use that
65,000.
number. We're going to use that number instead of that 60,000 that you just gave me because you came in here to waste my time and play these games, and I'm not about to play with you.
Miss Vonda,
Yes, ma'am.
her kids' hair need done.
And but she said her edges, you know, she lay edges.
You see how cute her hair look? Mm-hmm. Yeah. You think she comes and buys barrettes and anything? Everything comes out of my pocket. I keep those babies looking good. She never put her finger in there, but she want to run around and put her little fingers in these other little heifers' head.
You know what? You know better, or at least you should. You should know better. And I'm not looking for a response right now because as cute as your hair is, that attitude is not looking real good. So let's go ahead and make sure your aunt gets some money for these kids, okay? So at this $65,000 a year, that brings your gross to about $5,400. Your net is $4,383.27. What about health insurance?
Medicaid.
Okay. Oh yeah, you're really about to pay today because you know Medicaid has to be reimbursed to the state, right?
No, I didn't know that.
Well, you just found out something today. I'm so glad that you are ready to learn something because you are about to learn today, okay? So, child support calculation, 2 kids, only 2 kids. Well, I know it's 2 kids that you have, but do you have any other kids?
No, just the 2.
Okay. So,
What?
yes, ma'am.
Well, I did get can I confirm something? You not pregnant?
No, not that I know of.
Oh, you didn't say that very
Yeah.
confidently.
I'll probably end up with that one too.
Okay, well, moving right along. Child support is $1,096. Plus, we need to reimburse that Medicaid, like I told you. So we take that $5,400, do 9% of that. That comes out to $486. $486 plus the $1,096. That brings your child support obligation to $1,582 per month.
I'm sorry, you said 1,000 what?
$1,582. Anything else?
For 2 kids?
Girl,
$1,500 a month?
do you know how much I paid to take care of your kids? More than that. That is only a pinch of what I pay to take care of your kids monthly.
Well, you know, I have to agree with her. I normally don't allow people to talk out of turn, but, you know, she's absolutely correct. It doesn't put a dent in anything that she does, especially when you're talking about feeding 2 children.
I
So,
feed them.
yeah, sure you do. Is there anything further?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything further?
No, but she can bring by some McDonald's today.
Okay. Well, take some McDonald's over there, and if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Case number JVB1059, Ricardo case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. All right. Miss Ricardo,
Yes.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes. Well, I brought my husband, Benny, for child support.
We're not
we have
actually.
4 kids.
We're separated, Your Honor.
We are still married, though. We have 4 kids, and he is zero responsible, and I need help.
I don't know what you talk about being zero
Excuse me,
responsible.
sir.
She's accusing me of stuff that is not true. I'm very responsible.
She
Your
hasn't
Honor.
said more than 3 words,
Exactly.
though. You haven't even given her a chance to speak.
Whatever.
Excuse me, are you referring to me saying whatever, or are you referring to her?
No, Your Honor. I'm not. I was kind of just. That's one of my catchphrases. So
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Well, you might want to catch that mouth and keep it to yourself because, you know, there's no need to be disrespectful to me. I haven't done anything. It's my job to listen to what you all are saying and then make the best decision
I got
Your
it.
Honor,
for the
this is
children.
the type of attitude I have to deal with every time I try to call him, every time I try asking for help, every time I try to ask him, hey, you know, at least call your kids, try to see, you know, if they're okay.
And how
You
many
know,
kids do you all have?
4.
4
we have
kids.
4 kids. We have 2 girls and 2 boys. It's
I don't
it's
even know if
ridiculous.
one of them is mine, Your Honor. I don't even know if one of them is mine. One of them, the last one, that's the one, that's the straw that broke the camel's back, that last one. Because my drummer might have something to do with that. He was beating more than just drums.
Wow. I'm running out of tea up here. Ma'am,
No.
continue with your story.
So he is, like I said, zero responsible. And we have been together for 15 years. He has been bringing people in and out of the house all the time, all this, musicians, people he works with. I'm a teacher.
What does he do for a living?
He's a R&B singer.
Oh, okay.
He has a group.
Okay.
He started making it big, making all this money, and then he decides he wants to leave me.
And there it is. This is one of the biggest legal misconceptions people have. In Texas and many other states, when a child is born during a marriage, the law automatically presumes that the husband is the legal father. That presumption stands unless it is formally challenged through the proper legal process. You cannot simply walk into a courtroom, suggest that someone else might be the father, and expect the judge to stop the proceedings. If someone wants a DNA test, they must formally request it through the court, and the timing of that request is extremely important. Now here is the surprising twist. The father earns $500,000 a year, but under Texas law, child support calculations are capped at $9,200 in net monthly resources. This means the law places a limit on how much income can be used in the calculation, effectively protecting high earners from extremely large support payments. So the question becomes interesting. Do you think that is fair? Should there be a cap when someone earns $500,000 a year?
And then I start receiving calls from all these girls, saying, hey, I'm with him or whatever. I'm with Benny, I don't care if he's your husband or whatever. And I'm thinking, what's going on? Because I didn't know about all these girls before that. And I asked him about it.
That's how we met, Jackie.
We
met because you was a groupie.
I always ask you about it, and you always deny everything. But you know what? You are not responsible with your kids. I don't care if you're doing all these girls, okay? I need your help, money-wise. That's the type of attitude I have to deal with. He ignores everything I say. And my last kid is our kid, okay? I don't know. He just made up a whole story about a drummer.
That kid don't even look like me, Your Honor. He don't even look like me. Yeah, he dark like me, but he don't got my eyes. Look into my eyes, Your Honor. If you was to see my kid, you wouldn't think that these eyes was his eyes. Because it ain't my kid.
He's
Jackie.
He's light-skinned, but, he has some Latin in him, too.
I couldn't tell by the eyes.
Well, I can't help that,
So that is the reason I'm bringing him to court today. I need help with my 4 kids.
Okay. It sounds like you all need a lot more help than just with me here today. Benny, was it?
Yes, it's Benny, Your Honor.
Benny, it's your turn. Tell me what your side is.
She wants all this money from me. And the truth of the matter is, Your Honor, it sounds like a lot of money.
Now let's connect the dots between the two cases.
But I got other kids to take care of too. She ain't the only one. She knew I had kids before we got married.
No, I didn't.
Now let's talk about.
Now you calling me a liar?
Yeah, you are a liar.
I ain't a liar. You a liar.
You are. You never
a
told me that.
Liar. She a bold-faced liar,
No, you
Your
never
Honor.
told me this. After our second child,
What is
then
a
you started
bold-faced
coming.
liar exactly?
Just look in her face and look how bold she is with what's coming out her mouth.
Oh, okay. Well, Benny, we're going to focus on the facts, okay? We are not going to name call or anything like that. That does not help the situation. Now, my question to you is, how much money are you making?
My net worth is only $500K.
Only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And I got some investments that the money's tied up in, and I can't get it out right now. And taking care of these other 2 for sure that I know is mine. It's hard out there. It's hard out there for an entertainer.
So you all have 4 kids together, and you have 2 other children?
2 other children, yeah.
All right. How are those the only 2 children that? So you have a total of 6 kids.
I lost count. So, but
I never knew about all this.
Wait a minute. You lost count of the number of children that you have?
It was.
And you all been married 15 years?
Yeah.
Oh.
When I was younger, it was some stuff that
And
I'm
I
an
never
entertainer,
knew about
Your
Honor. He never told me any of this.
So I was on some of that medicinal stuff that was for my eyesight, because I asked you to look in my eyes and you could see that some of the stuff. But anyway, the medicinal stuff that I was using,
wasn't sure what I saw.
It did something. It did something, and I kind of lost count. But I know for 2 for sure.
Okay, so
that I'm taking care of.
Oh my God. You are unbelievable.
So this is what we're going to do. Health insurance, who pays it?
Me.
You don't pay health insurance making $500,000?
I told you, Your Honor, my money is wrapped up in things, and I'm trying to make more money for all of us,
Excuses.
even the one
So-
that ain't mine.
Health insurance isn't important to you for your children?
It's important, but isn't it best for a man to plan for the whole future of his children? And that's what I'm trying to do.
I mean,
I'm
I
just as-
agree with that.
I'm just a simple man.
They need to be healthy, though.
Yeah, well, she got health insurance for the kids.
I'm a
Didn't I help
teacher.
you get the braces and all that?
No.
Because kid running around whistling whenever it's talk.
First visit, he helped only. After that, it was
Wow.
all me.
Wow.
Well, the kid don't whistle no more when he talks.
Okay.
Embarrassing me on stage, talking about he want to be a
Ricardo.
rapper. He whistling while he talking, while he rapping. What kind of rapper is that whistle when they rap?
A whistle
A whistling
rapper?
rapper. Yeah,
Yeah.
he wanted to be a.
Sound
So I
like a
helped
good
him get
career
his
to
teeth
me.
fixed. No, that wasn't gonna fly.
Okay. Well, I'm glad that you were a parent and placed braces on your child's teeth.
I sure did.
Okay. Miss Ricardo, how much is health insurance a month?
I pay around $950
$950. Okay. And
for
it's
5 of us.
5. Okay. That was my next question. All right. All right, I have that. So this is what we're going to do. We are going to start some child support.
I
Okay.
ain't got no money, Your Honor. It's wrapped up.
You just said I make $500,000, and if my memory serves me correctly, you said it like it was just a little bit of money.
It is.
Well, you're gonna pay your kids a little bit of this money too, okay?
If you hadn't been sleeping around so much.
Well, ma'am, we are not going to entertain
It's about time you
what
told
he
her.
did. It's a lot I could have said to you too, especially when you had me look into your eyes. I wasn't sure what I was supposed to be looking at. But the point of it is, you all are here today. She has a legitimate reason to be here. You should be paying some child support to her. Now, ma'am, I don't know how much money you thought you were going to be looking at, but you understand you're not entitled to all $500,000, right?
I mean, we have 4 kids together.
I mean, you understand that the law doesn't allow him to pay you child support based on $500,000, right?
How much is it?
So
Judge?
how much is it?
How much is it?
His salary is capped. He actually is based under Texas law. His net resources are capped at $9,220 a month.
$9,000.
What?
$9,000.
$9,200, yes.
That ain't even fair.
You must not really understand
Yeah,
what
he's
I'm
not
saying.
understanding.
$500,000, right?
That's what your cap.
That will make your monthly $41,000. That's how much you make. Because according to the law, can't make you pay child support based on $41,000 a month. That would make your child support ridiculously expensive. So it caps at $9,200, which means your child support will be extremely low. You understand that?
That ain't low.
You don't want to pay child support at all.
No, that's not
You
true.
just
Your
want to
Honor.
waste my time and sit up and
He doesn't
have
want
all
responsibility.
$500,000 coming to you and not going to your kids. That is not going to happen.
Can we get a paternity test? Can this be?
Oh my God.
I need a paternity test for that last one. If I prove that ain't my child, if I brought the drummer in and you looked at that drummer
He's making
face
no
to
sense.
face,
Listen, you can do whatever it is that you want to do at a later date. You did not petition this court to ask for a DNA test. So no, we are not doing a DNA test. You all are married. A child born of the
separated.
marriage, even if you're separated, a child born of the marriage is considered to be that of the spouse. You all are married. You have 4 kids since you've been married. Guess what? You're the father. Now, based on that $9,200 cap and giving him credit for the other children that he has, that brings his net to, like I said, the $9,200. Health insurance would be $380 half, so it's for 4 kids. 4 kids. You said it's health insurance for 5 people, right?
Yes.
So it's $190 per child. That's $760. You all split that. So it's $380 that he needs to reimburse you monthly for that.
That's it, Your Honor?
That's it.
Oh my God. I
That's
need more
it.
help than
So
that.
his child support would
and
be...
I need more, because you know you can afford more than that.
No, I
If
can't.
you were a good dad, you would give me
Excuse
more.
me. I'm giving my
that?
ruling. Let me finish my
You need to put her
ruling.
in contempt of court, Your Honor.
I'm about to put both of you in contempt. How about that? Now, child support is set at $2,796 a month. That's all you get.
Let me understand this. If I have more
Always
kids,
get it your way.
if I get more kids, she get less money? Because I think I remember about 4 or 5 other ones.
Because I think that's what you want to do.
It's coming back to me now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because
Well,
I
my
think I got
next
about
case
7.
is getting ready to come in here and talk to me now. So I'm actually done with this case. Is there anything further?
No.
No, I think I just got rid
This
of
is
it.
ridiculous. I need more
What's
money
so
than that.
ridiculous about it?
Because he has a lot of money that he can help me more with. I mean, $300? Really? For 4 kids?
For health insurance, yes.
That's not right.
This is the law.
That's not right.
I should have just kept her. They said it's cheaper to keep her.
Well, you know what? It's cheaper to go
But if
ahead
you were
and
a
exit my
different person,
courtroom.
then you would just
so
help
if there's
me
nothing
because-
further, you all are dismissed.
Come on.